Welcome everyone. My name is Tanitra Pichevinichok, otherwise known to my students as Chef T. I'm a personal chef, caterer, and culinary instructor at Teaspoons, my boutique cooking school in Ladera Ranch, California. In this clip, we're going to show you how to clean a fondue pot. Now, I love this communal way of eating, dipped cheese, chocolate, or whatever melted goodness you like, but it could be a chore to clean at times, and especially if you have caked on cheese that's a day old like this one here. So if that happens, all you need is actually a little bit of dish detergent, a non-abrasive sponge, and some hot water. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my hot water here. So while we're waiting for our water to boil, I'm going to go ahead and add a little dish detergent into our fondue pot here. Now, it's important that you use dish detergent because it actually has enzymes in it that help to break down the food as opposed to dish soap. So it looks like our water has come to a boil, so I'll go ahead and turn off my stove top. And I'm going to pour my water into my fondue pot here. Make sure you fill it up to the cheese level, so you make sure you get all of that soaked in there. Now that we have our hot water and our fondue pot, we're going to let it soak for about 30 minutes, of course depending on how caked on your food is, but 30 minutes should be sufficient time for it to sit in there and allow the dishwasher detergent to break up all the food particles and also the hot water to loosen it up as well. So after this, we're going to take it over to the sink and give it a good rinse. So now that our fondue pot has been soaking for about 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. So I'll go ahead and turn off my water and take my non-abrasive sponge. I'm going to give it a good scrub there with my sponge. And the cheese is coming right off. So we definitely did a good job of soaking this thing here. And there. Okay, so now that I've given it a good scrub there, our fondue pot is nice and clean. Okay, I'm going to take my dish rag and make sure I dry it off thoroughly. And as you can see, we have a nice clean fondue pot here.